I'm so tired. Come on, let's keep running. What's that stand over there? Wanna go check it out? Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah. Let's ask this duck up. Yeah, Psyduck. What do you have here that we can buy? So all you sell is Psyducks. Yeah, let's get the heck out of here. Woo! Beach day! Woo! Come on, Pac-Man! Woo! Yeah! I guess this is a good beach day. I don't know. Hey, excuse me, could you turn that music off? Nah, bruh. This is some good tunes, man. Yeah, but there's kids over here. That's not the appropriate music. I'm gonna have to escort you out of here, sir. Nah, man, no, I'm running. Nah, man, I'm out of here.
It's a real boring day.
Get the backyard! That was nice. Oh, there's Foxy. Let me go ask him something. Foxy!
What's up?
Nothing much. Why don't you come in the water with me, Chica, and Bonnie? Freddy's staying out because he wants to get a tan for some weird reason.
I don't know about going in the water. And that's typical.
I know.
Freddy.
Well, why don't you just come in
I'll just
anyway?
stay out
But you're missing out. Yeah! Man, this place blows. You know what? I'm just gonna go to Station Square. Just getting my tan on. Hey, what's all that noise?
What's going on? No, Andre's gonna die. No!
What the? Citizen, get from down there. This place is gonna blow.
Psyduck!
This sucks.
Psyduck!